In front of me is Nokia 1.4, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate keyboard clicks on this device. So first of all, just enroll the list of all apps, go to settings, then pick sound, and then select advanced. Just scroll down, and here you will notice dial pad tones. So if you'd like to leave them active, just release the button as it is, and if you'd like to mute it, just unmark it. So once it is muted, you cannot hear any tap of yours while entering the digits. Let me show you. This is it. However, if you'd like to hear them a bit, just mark it here, and now you can smoothly provide the numbers with the sound included. And that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.